another recipe in Real Nice Guyana, my friends. Real Nice and Molly here, bringing you another traditional Guyanese recipe. Today we're going to be making no other than the famous chicken foot soup. And for that our ingredients are there. We have our chicken foot. We're going to be using some eddo leaf bhaji, onion, garlic, corn, plantain, cassava, sweet potatoes, eddoes, wiri peppers, scallions, carrot, and some chicken noodle soup, of course. And that's our ingredients there, guys, so let's get started. So we're gonna begin by cleaning our provisions, cassava and stuff. And chicken foot soup is very popular in Guyana. And now the eddoes, so good for you. Love eddoes. So we've cut our plantain in 3, and then we're gonna split them down like so. So you just, with the eddo leaf, you just want to pull the leaf from the veins. So for the chicken foot soup, it's a lot of preparation, guys. Many ingredients, so you gotta get them all ready. And now the main ingredient. So while we were preparing our stuff there, we put some water to boil. Okay guys, so we're gonna add our provisions to our boiling water first. And we're gonna add all the chopped seasonings. In goes the corn and the carrots. We're gonna also add the eddo leaf at this time. Give that a mix. And salt to taste. So we added our salt, was the last thing there, and I gave it a stir, and now we're gonna cover this. Okay guys, so while our provisions are boiling there, we're gonna fry up our chicken foot here. And this is, by doing this, it's gonna give your soup a nice flavor. You're gonna be building flavors here. So a little bit of salt, black pepper, so you just want it to fry a little bit and let it get a bit of a color, and that's it. Okay guys, so our chicken foot has been frying for a bit here now. It's got a bit of color, build up some flavors here. So we're gonna add this to our pot now. And our pot is bubbling away there. So this pot is bubbling away here, hear that? Ooh la la. So we're gonna give this a turn here now guys. So our soup is more than halfway. So we're gonna add our chicken noodle right now. You don't have to add the chicken noodle if you don't want to, but it adds a nice flavor to it as well, a bit of flavor. It's looking good, it's looking good. So we are breaking one of the peppers. We added 2 peppers, we're leaving one whole, we're breaking one. And that's some more flavor. Of course, if you don't handle hot peppers, you're not going to do that, right? Okay guys, and that's it there for our chicken foot soup. Looking delicious. Okay guys, our chicken foot soup is done, and here it is. If you like this recipe guys, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Please share this video also, and as always, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.